Hello students, welcome to BITSAT forum. This is Brahmam, your reasoning faculty. Today our chapter is paper folding and cutting and then unfolding, right? One of the interesting chapter and important chapter. So first let us see paper folding questions and then later we will enter into paper cutting and then unfolding also. Okay. Suppose we have a thin transparent sheet. We have a thin transparent sheet. So why I'm naming it as transparent sheet? There is a thin transparent sheet. Suppose A4 size, there is a thin transparent sheet we have. And I have kept a mark here, right? With a marker, I have kept a mark here. And then I have folded this one along this line. Okay. So if you fold this one and along this line, that mark will be seen here as well, right? And this side there is no paper. That's the at that time this side there is no paper after folding, and it is a two-fold now. It is a two-folded sheet. Still it is a two-folded sheet, but still we are able to see this dot because it is a transparent sheet. Okay. And then what I'll do is this part I am folding it this way. This part if I fold this way, so this part will have this dot here. This dot is looking here. This dot will be seen here. And this will be a four-fold now, right? One fold. If you fold once in the middle, it will become two-fold. And the two-folded form, if you fold it again, that will become four-folded. Four sheets will be there, one on the other. Likewise, so 4 sheets will be there. But still we are able to see that dot. It may be in any layer, right? That dot can be in any layer that will be visible to outside because that is a transparent sheet. Okay. So let us see. Before folding there is a dot here, and that dot is looking where it is looking after folding. Okay. First let us see those questions and then we'll see the concept of paper cutting also. Otherwise, let us see the concept of paper cutting also now only. There is a sheet again. Suppose you have an A4 sheet. And what you did is, first you have folded this way. This is not a transparent sheet now, okay? This is just like an A4 sheet, white paper or any paper, any color paper. First we have folded this way. And this half again we have folded this way. So that means finally we have our figure, means our paper in this part only. Only this part has our paper, right? Now I have taken a scissors and I'm cutting here like a circle I have cut. Okay. First let us see with the one figure and then we'll see the more number of figures also. So this is the folded part and I have cut here. There is a circle. Okay. What will be the figure you observe after unfolding it completely, right? So if you unfold it this way, so this circle will be seen here as well. Okay, earlier that is a circle drawn with a marker in a thin transparent sheet. That is a circle drawn with a marker and material is there already in that transparent sheet. But here in paper cutting, we are removing this material. That circular part, there is no material, right? And that the same circle without any material will be visible here also after unfolding once. And if you unfold it completely, so circle cut will be here and this circle cut will be appearing here, right? So what will be given in our questions? The folded, after folding, cutting formats will be given, right? Cutting shapes will be given and you have to tell the answer which of the unfolded form will have the same cuttings, right? Means if you unfold it, it will be looking like what? That will be your answer figure. Okay, let us solve the questions, no problem. With the circle, you cannot observe the rotations or images. Let us see with another figures. I'm taking again the another A4 sheet and I'm folding it again in the same way. First vertically folded and then that vertical part is folded again half. And finally we have the material here in this part only. In this part I'm cutting a triangle here, okay, and I'm cutting a circular shape also, and I'm cutting a diamond shape here, right? Diamond shape also we cannot observe the changes. Let us take some other figure. Which one triangle, square, a trapezium I'm taking, trapezium shape. Okay, right. If it is unfolded on the top, what is the figure you observe? If it is unfolded on the top, this triangle will become inverted in this way. This circle will appear here, and this trapezium will also be inverted like this. Correct? Okay. So that means here this line is acting like a mirror, right? This triangle becomes this triangle. That means this line folded line is acting like a mirror, right? Okay. So simply along which line we are rotating the paper or we are folding the paper, simply consider that line as the mirror. Okay. Next, we have to unfold it completely. Now if you unfold it this way, so this inverted triangle will be in an inverted position only, circle will be circle only, and inverted triangle will be inverted only. And here normal triangle normal only, circle will be circle only, and trapezium shape is in trapezium shape only, normal trapezium shape only. So this is the final figure you observe after unfolding it. Okay, you can try in your at your home by taking any white sheet or any white paper. You can fold it any number of times and then cut it and then unfold it and then observe the figures you get. After unfolding, you can observe your figures. Okay, earlier that is simply folding only with a thin transparent sheet, and now it is paper cutting as well. Okay, first we'll solve the questions based on only transparent sheet, only folding, and then we'll solve the questions of paper cutting as well. So see here, the question is, see the question, transparent sheet is given and it is folded in this pattern, along this dotted line it is folded, along this dotted line it is folded. So left side part is given, means right side part will be folded to the left side. Sometimes right side part will be given, that means left side part will be folded to the right side. Here right side is folded to the left side. Okay, so these are the answer figures, and directly for this, as of now, consider these ABCD as the options, but in the exams separately ABCD may be given, right, options, because these are figure numbers, and B will be given here, C will be given here, D, and it is A. In this way also options will be given. Okay, but as of now for this session, let us consider them as the options only. Directly let us take them as options only. Okay, so right side part is folded to the left side. So there is a normal square and it is a rotated square, and if you fold it this side, these lines means that this rotated square will exactly will be overlap on this square. And so now tell me, because it is a transparent sheet, there should not be any hidden part, right? Like we did in earlier in this example, this dot is visible here and in here and in here. It may be any number of times, you may fold it any number of times, but still that dot is visible because it's a transparent sheet. That means there is no hidden part. So see this question, in this question there are some hidden parts, right? This cannot be the answer. And here the square and its rotated square are of the same size. So that means one inside the other cannot be, because one is smaller, one is bigger. So the answer is figure A. So that's why this is the figure on the left hand side, and this will be the figure on the right hand side. Okay, so that is figure A. Option A is the answer. Next question, again it is right side part is folded to the left side. So if you fold the left side, it is a plain stripe only. Horizontal shading will be on the bottom and vertical shading will be on the top. Vertical shading on the top, horizontal shading in the bottom. Answer is figure D. Next one, bottom part is folded to the top. Bottom part is folded to the top. This is shape S, and this is looking like a circle, and this is also looking like a circle. If you observe, their centers are at the equidistant, right? Their center are at equidistance, means their centers should overlap each other. As their centers are overlapping, that circular part also will overlap, and this missing part will be covered here. correct? So that means they will both make one circle like this. So why not it is the option? Why not C is the answer? Because their centers are different here, but in our question their centers are at equidistance and in the same line. That's why this cannot be the answer. Here there is a missing part, and in this figure there is a hidden part, right? After folding there must not be any hidden part. Here completely different figure. So answer is option D. Next question. This is a triangle and left side part is folded to the right side now. This triangle will be inverted, right? This triangle will be inverted and it is looking like this one, correct? No, because it is not at the same distance. See, which figure we can get? Whatever the figure we have drawn just now, that is also available here, right? See, the distance of these extreme points from the end points are same, equal. That means we'll get this figure as the answer. Next question. So here left side part is folded to the right side. Left side part is folded to the right side, and if you observe these extreme parts are the triangle is at equidistance from both the sides, right? Both the lateral sides. Equidistance means this will be our answer because both the triangles are at equidistance from the walls. So answer is option A. Why not it is B? Because this is completely a different shape, or we can consider it as a same shape, but there are some hidden points, there are some hidden lines. This cannot be. And here triangle must be inverted. Left side triangle must be inverted onto the right side. Cannot be. And here the figure is correct, but the distance from distance of the triangle from the edges, means from the sides, is not equal. Here there is no gap, but here there is a gap for this triangle, right? And the other triangle also, there is no gap this side, but there is a gap here. So this cannot be the answer. So but this is a dangerous option. Option D is a dangerous option. Next one. Next part is a right side part is folded to the left side. So only this line will come here and this line will come here, right? Because this line will be the mirror now. So this will become just like a B shape. B shape touching the vertices, touching the line. Option C is the answer. Next is again left side part is folded to the right side. This triangle after inversion it will be exactly overlap with this one, and right side, whatever the side folded, that will be changed. The unfolded part will remain same, right side part there should not be any disturbance. Left side part should come onto the right side. This line will be extended up to here and this line will appear here. So which figure is this one? Yes, figure C, because this line and this line must be there extra along with the right side part. So figure C is the answer. Next question. So there is a 4-fold, right? 2 times of folding is there. But from here to get this corner, first we may fold upwards and then we can fold it rightwards, or first we can fold rightwards and then resultant figure can be folded upwards. In both the ways we will get the same answer, right? First let us fold the upwards. If it is folded upwards, it will be inverted, right? And upward folding is nothing but water image. Water image, the right side part will be right side only shading. Next, right side folding. Right side folding will give us mirror image. So in mirror image, the triangle position will be same, means inverted will be inverted only, but the shading part will be right side shading will become left side shading. So this must be our answer figure. Inverted triangle with left side part shaded. Inverted triangle with left side part shaded is figure C, right? Right side part is folded to the left side. Already existing 3 dots must be in the same location. Along with these 2 dots will be here. Okay, which figure is matching? Figure B is matching. In this there is a missing part. In this right side part is disturbed, and in this circle dots location is different. So which figure is the answer? Figure B is the answer. Option B is the answer. Next question. Right side part folded to the left side. So this line will exactly overlap? No, this line is at a different distance and this line is at different location. So that means this line will appear here and this line will be the continuity for this line. So overall 2 vertical lines and with a horizontal line like this on the left side box. Which figure? Figure C is the answer. Next question. Here slant folding is there. Okay, diagonal folding is there, and upper part is folded to the lower part. So see, when the mirror is vertical or horizontal, horizontal, suppose mirror is vertical, horizontal line will be horizontal only, vertical line will be vertical only. But the mirror is slant, horizontal line becomes vertical line and vertical line becomes a horizontal line. Okay, be careful with this. If the mirror is slant, horizontal becomes a vertical, vertical becomes horizontal. So in this figure, mirror is slant here, and this horizontal line will exactly overlap with this vertical, horizontal overlap with vertical, horizontal overlap with vertical, vertical will overlap with horizontal. Finally, this is the figure you observe. So the same part will be there, same part must be there. So option A is the answer, option A. And in D, extra lines are there, C also extra lines are there, and in B there will not be any horizontal lines in this figure if you fold like a diagonal. Next question. Yes, left side part folded towards right side. This curve will become this curve if you fold along this line, correct? And this will complete the elliptical shape or leaf shape. So which one? Figure C is the answer. Next one, left side part folded to the right side. Circle and a triangle inside a circle, inverted triangle inside a circle, and this triangle, so vertical inversion, vertically inverted triangle will be inside the circle. Which figure is having this part, right side part? Yes, figure C is the answer. If you fold towards left, this slant line becomes like this, and this line, this circle will appear here. Why only here it is now? Why not it is above the line? Because it is near to the mirror only. If it is away from the mirror, we have to draw here. Okay, yes. Next question. Sorry, let us conclude the answer. Which option is our answer? Figure C is the answer, because top part should not be disturbed and the bottom part is this one. Next one, vertically folded, and folding is towards right. So this part, whatever the part is there on the right side, exactly the same part will be there on the left side, and that is folded onto the right side. Same part, but it is vertically inverted like this. This part will appear like this, and this part will appear like this, and this part like this. Okay, so which figure is matching? There is a square shape in the bottom as well as in the top. Yes, this one, square shape, and within the square there is a triangle and triangle here as well. So figure B is the answer. So before I solve, everyone solve the questions and check your answers. Here right side part is folded to the left side. This line exact overlap with this one, this line overlap, so that means it is a vertically symmetrical. That means the right side part will disappear because it will exactly overlap with the left side part. So whatever is there on the left hand side, the same part should be there in the answer. So this one, figure B is the answer. Lower part is folded towards upward. So here there is a part missing for square, and that will be completed by this one, and there is a diagonal missing here, that will be completed with the bottom part. So there is a figure like this, two diagonals and with the squares on both sides. So this is the answer figure. Next one, if you fold left side part towards right side, okay, this curve will be like this, looking like this, and vertical lines will be vertical only, but they are below the horizontal line, they are not above the horizontal line. If you observe the figure, you will get, you can find that one. Okay, so which option is matching? Option D is matching. Next question, if you fold left side part towards right side, this rhombus shape will be exact overlap, so the missing shading will come here, right? On the right hand rhombus, already there exists a horizontal shading here. Along with this horizontal shade, we will get vertical shade because of left side part, folded part. But horizontal shading is missing in this segment, but vertical folding only will be there in the right side part, triangular shape. So which will be our answer figure? Figure D, keeping in mind this part, we can say. And here there is a horizontal shading missing here, and here it is a horizontal shading, cannot be the answer, and it is a plain one, it cannot be. So the answer is figure D. Next one, yes, from here onwards paper cutting. So I think you have remembered that one. Which one? We have to take any A4 sheet or any sheet. We have to fold it and then take a scissors and cut it in any different shapes, and then unfold it and then see what is the figure you observe. Okay, here cutting is there. That means whatever the circle you observe here, there is no material got deleted. Material removal. Okay, we are removing the material, we are removing the piece of paper in the circular shape. So X is folded in this way, and then it is folded in this way, and finally we got Z, and in Z we are cutting. So to answer this question, we have to go in a reverse approach. Z to Y we should come first, and from Y to X we should come. Okay, if you unfold it along this line, yes, if you unfold it along this line, first unfolding is, yes, see, first we have already unfolded this part, right? Sorry, first we folded this part, and if you observe, see, let me draw here. First this part is folded, that means we will see this part, and then this is unfolded, that means this will be the figure we have, right? This will be the figure we have, right? And what is this one? This is nothing but this corner, right? And if you cut a circular shape here, and that will be belonging to, this part is belonging to only one layer of this paper, total paper, and that is not coming under the any layer. If you unfold it, that circle will be in the same location. Even if you unfold it further also, that circle will be in the same location. So finally our answer is with only one circle, because this material has not reached this corner, and this material is stopped at this location only. Whatever the paper folded here, and this got folded like this only, and so this material is stopped here only. It has not reached the topmost, that opposite corner. So remaining options cannot be the answer, because there are extra circular shapes, extra circular cuttings, that's why. Next one. So first it is folded like this, and then it is folded these parts also. Finally we got a square shape. Okay, and while unfolding also we should follow the reverse approach. First we should go to Z to Y, and then we should go to Y to X. So if you unfold Z to Y, this circle will take this place, and this circle along with this place, it will take this place also. And if you unfold it further, there is no cutting, means see, after folding, this part will appear here, and this part will appear here. Is there any cutting in that segment? There is no cutting. That means even if you unfold also, even if you unfold further also, you don't get any circles this corner wise and this corner. Okay, so unfolding is first vertical unfolding. So first vertical unfolding, there are no circle in these two positions, and after that horizontal unfolding, we'll get two more circles here. So only 4 circle in a vertical line. So that is option B. There must not be any circles in these two corners. Yes, next one. This circle originally, and if you unfold it this way, you'll get that circle here, and these two circles are already there on this paper. If you unfold it in this way, there are 2 more circles like this. So finally this is the figure we observe. So which one? Figure A only again. Next one. If we come from Z to Y, originally it is having circles here, and if you unfold it this way, this circle will appear here. If you unfold it this way, this circle will appear here. And then originally in this figure we have circles like this one and this one. If you unfold it further, if you unfold it this way, so there will be few more circles like this, correct? Just a second, they are somewhat away from the center line. Yes, this one. Okay, this circle is here, and this circle is here, and this circle is here, and this circle is here. Okay, so this is the figure you observe finally. Which one? Figure D is the answer, correct? Yes. Next one, I think the same, similar, right? So this circle, these two are the original circles. Here we have Y to Z, we are coming. So if you unfold it like this, this circle will appear here, and this circle will appear here. Next, if you unfold it further this way, this circle will take this place, this circle will take this place, and these two circles will come to this corner. So two circles on each corner, that is option A is the answer. Next one. Yes, first if you unfold it this way, this triangle will appear here and this cut part will appear here. If you unfold it further, this triangle will take the inversion, this triangle will be inverted, and this cut will be there here and this cut will be there here. And not only this side and upper side also. This triangle will be inverted like this and this triangle will be inverted like this, and these two cuttings will be there here. So finally we observe which figure? In the middle only normal triangles, top and bottom inverted triangles. So top and bottom inverted triangles, there are normal triangles, cannot be, normal triangles cannot be, top and bottom inverted triangles, okay. And there is no cut on the top and bottom, right? So all the cuts are sidewards only, left side and right side only, okay. So figure B is the answer finally. Next one, Z2Y, if you see, this shape will appear here, and similarly the same shape will appear here as well. And if you that's all only, no? So Y to Z right side part will be appearing, and X to Y to X left side shape will also appear here. So finally finally only lower half will have the figures because upper half is not involved in the folding. So answer is B, option B, okay. So this much only. Practice more and more number of questions on this chapter. Thank you.